Alright guys, if you're experiencing a little bit of chatter whenever you're running over bumps in your Porsche Panamera, one thing that I could suggest that you try first are going to be your Swaybar links. The only reason I'm saying this, I've already went through the process of replacing the upper and lower control arms. I replaced the front airbags, and I replaced the Swaybar bushings as well. You can check that out in another video that I've got posted on my channel. The only thing that I did not replace on the suspension when I was doing all of that were the Swaybar links. And I've still got a little bit of chatter. It's not much, but you know, whenever you hit the bumps, you hear it chattering up and down. So we're going to go ahead and replace these real quick, and hope that takes care of the rest of the chatter. Alright guys, we're here under the car, getting you situated. Alright, so for this Swaybar link, you're going to need you a 18 millimeter socket and wrench. And then for this here, we're going to need a Torx bit. And it looks like that's going to be a T40. Alright, so to get this one off, we're going to need our T40 here. And our 18 millimeter. Okay, so yeah, we're going to take it this way. Okay, now we're going to take our 18 and pop it up here. I've already got an 18 socket. Like it's going to be a little smaller. Let's see if the 17 will fit on that one. Okay, there we go. Alright, so this kit that I got it on Amazon, so it came with new hardware, so we don't even need to reuse this hardware. Alright, so here's the old one. We're just going to slap it off to the side. Here's our new one that we're going to install. Bottom part goes here, just like that. Okay, so we're just going to do everything the same way we just did, but in reverse. Okay, got the new one on over here. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and pop this wheel back on. Same thing again. I'll just give you guys a different angle this time. Alright guys, was that quick and easy? Come back out, throw this tire back on. Guys, there are the old ones right there. So I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and drop the jacks. About to finish up the AC system here. And I'm going to go take this thing for a test drive and see how it does. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And while you're at it, check out some of my social media pages below and the new videos I got coming out next.